I'm Robert from Move Work Forward. In this section, we are going to cover the Dependabot integration and setup with Jigit. To begin, we need to ensure Dependabot is enabled. So go to the security section of your repository, and then you can see Dependabot listed under vulnerability alerts. If you don't see Dependabot here, it means you don't have the security event scope of access and would need to request it from an administrator. So we're going to enable Dependabot alerts. Now we're going to click on enable next to Dependabot alerts. And when we click this, it will prompt us to also enable the dependency graph, which is here. So we will enable that. And now Dependabot should be enabled on your repository. So the next step is to go to your Jira project. We are going to go to our project settings and select Jigit plugin config. So we're going to select GitHub security alert configurations. And from here, we are going to add a new configuration. So provide a suitable name, select the host as GitHub, provide the path to your repository, and then provide your access token. Test the connection to ensure everything is okay, and then you can add it. Okay, and now from our project, if we refresh, we should see the security tab. We do. So if we select the security tab, we can now see a list of vulnerabilities. Now this is just a test repository I'm using for Dependabot to highlight this, but you're able to now search by severity, status if you have issues linked, or you can even search by a text field if you want to limit your parameters. So just to demonstrate, we will go for low severity items, and you can see it filters them straight away. And that's it, a simple straightforward setup guide for Dependabot with Jigit. Thanks.